This morning marked the 50th consecutive day that we have offered a virtual service for our TCS community. Having a weekday morning minyan has provided much-needed routine and structure and has become a meaningful way to start the day. At the end of every minyan, we recite the psalm of the day, which has provided yet another benefit for me. It reminds me what day of the week it is. And I don't know about you, but that has become an increasingly difficult thing for me to remember. While the weeks continue to fly by, as a parent, I sometimes find myself wishing there was a way to slow down the years. This week, my youngest child, Avi, turned 15. My daughter, Ayelet, will be graduating high school next month. And my oldest child, Meital, will be turning 20 next week. And Monday is the 20th anniversary of my rabbinical ordination. My classmates and I will be celebrating via a Zoom reunion. How else? While I expect the reunion to be a lot of fun, I must say that there are days when I feel a bit zoomed out. Zoom has certainly allowed us to connect and come together in ways that we otherwise could not. But it can also be exhausting if we spend too many hours in front of the screen. We all look forward to the day when reunions can actually stay true to its definition, a reuniting of people after a period of separation. When will that time come? When can we physically be together again? This is certainly a topic on many of our minds as Connecticut and other states are starting to loosen some of the restrictions. While we are learning more and more each week, there is still so much that we do not know about this virus and when it will be safe for all of us to be together again. When thinking about that question, there is one word in our Torah portion that comes to my mind. This week we conclude the book of Leviticus with the double portion of Bahar Bechukotai. And Bechukotai begins, Im Bechukotai telechu, vi mitzvotai tishmoru. If you follow my laws and faithfully observe my mitzvot, v'natati gishmechem bi'itam. I will grant you rains in their season. The word bi'itam is translated here as in their season, but I like to translate it as at the appropriate time. You may have learned that our tradition views rain as a blessing. So in light of our current situation, I take the liberty of reading the opening words of Bechukotai as follows. If we follow the guidelines that have been presented to us in a diligent, careful, and respectful way, we will be blessed with the opportunity to be together again. Bi'itam, at the appropriate time. And if we remain vigilant, that time will come sooner rather than later. And so as we finish the book of Leviticus, we once again say, Chazak, Chazak, Ve'nit Chazek. Stay strong, my friends, stay strong. And by doing so, we will only strengthen each other. Shabbat Shalom.